Hey, hi guys. I bought this boat Rockerz 450 on Amazon. So let's unbox this. As you can see, I'm unboxing it, and I paid around for 1,499, and I just ordered it yesterday, and it came today. So let's go. So here's the main box. That is with the black coating, and it's a very nice box, nice packing, well done. Here's the boat Rockerz 450. Inside it's given boat, and backside it's there immerse your senses. So let's open it. I almost took half a minute to open those stickers. It was too tight, it was on both the sides. So I opened it, and here's the main thing, the beast boat Rockerz 450. And extra you will get a packet where you will get packet with user manual and 1 year warranty, and this is the USB charger for the headphones to charge, and this is the aux cable, which is very low quality, it's not so good, and this is the 1 year warranty, and is the some other products of boat. User manual. This one is the user manual. It's given everything, how to on, off, play, stop, next, everything is given in this user manual. So let's open the main thing. The packing is very nice, and it's a bit hard to remove it. As you can see how I'm struggling to open it. And yes, this is the boat Rockerz 450. I will be doing another video, a review about it. So this was the unboxing of boat Rockerz 4. This is the photos that I took with the boat Rockerz 450. So please, until then, subscribe, share, like, and thank you.